everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophie and I post workout and stretching videos for figure skaters and for non-figure skaters. So this is going to be a video for the nighttime or after work, a nice little stretch to kind of wind down for the day. It's going to be focused a lot on the spine because a lot of us are sitting all day and our spine just needs a little bit more movement. Motion is lotion. So let's get right into it. Let's come to a nice comfortable seated position. You don't necessarily need to come to easy pose, and we're just going to roll out our shoulders here nice and slowly. Good. Let's do two more. Really working through that whole shoulder. And now forward, same thing. Good. Bring the shoulders down. We're just going to bring our head to the side and just take a nice half circle going down, then to the other side. And we'll do that 5 more times. Just move nice and slowly here. And now back to center. Let's bring our right hand down, and we're just going to lift our left arm and stretch our body to the right, like so. Then inhale, release. Exhale to the other side. At this point, you would like to come into easy pose. That would be great. Because if you are just seated with your legs stretched out, it's still possible, but you'll get the most benefit by sitting in this pose. And then let's do the other side one last time. And then release. And we're just going to come to our hands and knees. We're going to inhale, come back with our hips. Exhale, come down with our head into our nice child's pose. Maybe you want to rock your hips side to side, or even massage your forehead on the mat by rocking your head side to side as well. And now slowly come to your all fours position. We're just going to take our classic cat and cow, arching our spine, looking up. Exhale, rounding out the spine and pelvis. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round it out. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round it out. Let's do that 2 more times. And now on this last one, I want you to hold this rounded position, really bringing that chin to your chest. And we're just going to take a few deep breaths here, just to really create a lot of space in our upper back. Always holding a little bit in that inhale before exhaling out. 2 more times. Feeling that nice expansion. And just release into a neutral spine. And then we're just going to come down onto our elbows. And we're just going to bring our hands together. Hips are in line with our knees. And we're just going to kind of bend down with our upper body towards the mat. Bring our chest to the ground if possible. You can bring your forehead to the mat or chin to the mat. Slowly release, stretch your arms forward, and let's just come down onto our stomach. And we're just going to bring our hands close to our chest, and we're just going to keep our legs hip width apart. Let's try to engage our abs, so keeping your lower core nice and flat, ribs are tight together. Inhale, exhale, we're going to start to lift our upper body here, but supporting ourselves with our hands. And down. Feeling that nice core engagement so we don't bring all that stress into our lower back. And just trying to create a nice curvature in that upper back. Let's do 2 more. Inhale, coming up. Exhale out, coming down. Or you can do the other way. Inhale at the bottom. Exhale as you come up. And now let's go down. Let's now bring our legs together, arms open out to the sides. Arms are in a nice right angle, so cactus arms. You're gonna bend your left knee, and you're just gonna bring that leg behind as far as you can. If you can touch down, great. If not, if you're up here, that's totally fine. As long as you feel this nice little twist here, and it doesn't feel way too intense. Just calm your breath here. Then slowly release, and then we're just going to come to the other side right away. And just hold here, resting your head on the side. And slowly release here as well. Bring your hands close to your chest, push yourself up, and we're going to come to our hands and knees, tucking our toes under. Get ready to come into a nice downward facing dog. Oops, there goes my microphone. So, just walk out the legs a little bit here while I figure out my microphone business. So hopefully that'll stay. Keep walking out the legs here. Just stretching one calf muscle at a time. And then you're just going to bring your right knee to your chest, then open up that knee, come down, and you're just going to flex your right foot under and flex your left foot back. And we're going to come into what we call a number 4 pose when we lay down, but just seated. If this feels way too intense or weird, then just go to a nice laying 4 position and just stay there. You can rock side to side here. We're just stretching out our glutes. Adjust yourself where is needed. If something feels weird, then just bring your leg a little bit back or forward. Doesn't really matter. You can also rock back and forth here. Then slowly release, work your way back into a nice down dog. And again, let's just walk it out. And then we're going to come to the other side. So we're going to place that left knee a little bit higher, foot onto the knee, opening up that knee, left foot flexes, right foot flexes, and then we just come back a little bit. Again, you can rock back and forth just to kind of add movement into this pose. then slowly release. And this time we are finished. So thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you get a good night's rest, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.